You might be missing these EQ functions in Reaper that really help you dial in on problematic frequencies. Here we have ReEQ, and ReEQ doesn't have a solo function per se, but we can hear what we're doing by using the delta function, and I'll show you. So here we go. I'm going to boost band 2 up. We're listening to a vocal narration here, which has a little bit of boominess. What is it that happens when we go deep inside and begin? Now if I hold down Alt, which would be Option on a Mac, and click on this wet dry control, it turns into delta solo, which lets us hear the difference between what's coming into the EQ and what's going out. So we will hear just what is happening here. What is it that happens when we go deep inside and begin to ask ourselves questions about what is real? So we can home in on that problem area, decrease the gain, and begin to ask ourselves questions about what is. We can listen to the difference between what's coming in and what's going out with this delta solo by holding down Option or Alt. Now ReEQ, ReEQ, has a solo function. What is it that happens when we go deep inside? And it's called listen. And begin to ask ourselves. So I can take this band and narrow it down and take a listen to what's being affected. What is it that happens when we go deep inside and begin to ask ourselves questions? There's my problem area. Let's decrease the gain a little bit. What is it that happens when we go deep inside and begin to ask ourselves questions? So the key to doing this well is to know what you're looking for before you start soloing. If you solo and sweep around, you can always find stuff that you don't like. But listen to something and say, okay, that's harsh or that's boomy. Let's go find that particular set of frequencies. That's how to do it with both ReEQ and ReEQ. I'm Keith. I help people make better home recordings in Reaper. Subscribe for more.